Good morning, student. Now, last time you have studied the construction of similar triangle. Now, next construction here you have to construct to a tangent to a circle at point on the circle. Okay, three type of construction in to draw a tangent to the circle. One by one we will see. First one, using the center of circle. Okay, already you have studied this one. Using the center of circle means like this circle is there, okay, with the radius whatever be, so that construction scene like this. Okay, here whatever be, draw a circle with point center C. If radius is given, take the radius, draw the circle. Then what you have to do, take any point on the circle, anywhere where you taken. From the center of circle you have to draw one ray like this, and then from this point, by taking some distance, you have to draw one arc here, one arc here, and then you have to draw one perpendicular bisector from these two arcs. That bisector exactly touches circle in a one point, that is tangent to the circle. Already you done one practical also. Tangent to the circle means when point lie on the circle, so that line intersect circle in only one and only one point. So actual construction we will see one by one. So see one example here we have taken. So what is in the example? See that, okay, construct tangent to a circle. Construct tangent to a circle with center P and radius is 3.5 centimeter. So now how to construct this one? That is very important. Okay. So now we will see that construction first. Already I think you have the idea how to construct, that is okay. So we'll see then one more part, that is the revision part. So how to construct that tangent to the circle. So what is the radius is given, that is very important. Radius is what? 3.5 centimeter. So now here you have to take first one center. Suppose this is the center, name of center is given, yes, center P. Suppose this is the center P. Okay, then take a scale. Distance is what? Radius is 3.5 centimeter. So from this, here you have to take exactly 3.5 centimeter distance here. This is exact, that should be 3.5. Okay, remove the scale, draw one circle from this. We'll draw one circle. Okay, so this is the circle we drawn with the radius what? What is the radius? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, some problem in the product. Okay, now here you have to take any point M. Suppose we taken that point M is here. Anywhere you can take a M, and here you have to draw tangent from the point M. So what you have to do, draw one ray from the point M. Like this. Okay, then what is the next step? Taking some distance, not fixed, from the point M. Draw two arc, one here and another is here, taking some distance. Okay, then what? Here you have to take one perpendicular bisector, then take more than half distance between two end of compass from these two arc. Draw one arc here, one arc upside, okay, and another arc downside. Then from this arc you have to draw another two arc that are intersect that first arc. Okay, remove this using the scale. Draw one line passes exactly intersecting point of these two arcs like this. You can see this is touch the circle in a one point, that is M, exactly touch in a point M. So this is the tangent to the circle with the using the center. This is the first construction you have studied. The next construction you have to study. What is that construction? That is, see here, without using center. Now in first construction we have used the center, in second without using center. This is new for you, so see carefully. Okay, here what is given? Draw a circle, whatever be the radius given, first draw the circle. Then here you have to take any point, suppose point C is here, and then you have to draw a tangent to the circle from this point C. So what you have to do, take another 2 points on the circle anywhere, okay, anywhere, then join this one. Okay, so here what, this is first you draw chord CB and inscribed angle CAB. This chord CB we drawn, then it is inscribed angle CAB. So without using center, how to draw? Then this angle and this angle is congruent. Okay, this is congruent because this is inscribed angle. So measure of this arc, and by tangent second theorem, same arc is come. So both the angles are congruent. You know tangent second theorem by this angle and inscribed angle by this theorem, because both the angles intercept this same arc. Okay, so we have to draw one congruent angle using this. Taking some distance from this, draw here. Taking the distance between 2 points, draw here, and then from this point here you have to draw one line, and from point C, that is the tangent to the circle without using center. Now actually we will see the construction on this one. So how to construct using without center. Okay, so we'll see this one. See here. So another example we taken. Take the radius 2.5 centimeter. Suppose here we have to take radius is 2.5. See here, we have to take radius is 2.5. Okay, exactly. So take any point. Here name of point is not given. Suppose we have taken here any point O. Then from this point O, here you have to draw one circle like this. Draw one circle. Here you have to without using the center, you have to draw the tangent to the circle. Okay, the same point, suppose we have taken here another point is suppose we taken P. Okay, what they told, here you have to take another point, suppose here Q. Draw a chord PQ. And what they want, take one more point, suppose here we have taken yes. Okay, so join this one. See how to construct. This is new for you. This one and this one. So what you have to do? Here see, here we see this is chord BC. So we taken this angle, and opposite of chord we taken this angle. Now here we taken P, means this is the chord. So we have to take this angle and this side angle we have to draw, opposite of chord PQ. So we'll see this one. Now here we have to draw one congruent angle from the point S. So take some distance, okay, some distance. Draw one like this arc that intersect this both the sides. Okay, draw this. Then from the point P, this side here you have to draw that arc by taking the same distance. Don't change the distance. Okay, then what you have to do, take this distance between two end of compass. We have to draw congruent angle. No? Already you have studied in the where in a similar triangle. So from this point here you have to draw one arc. Okay, one arc. They are intersect here. So from this point and P, here you have to draw one line. See here, like this. So this is the tangent to the circle at point P without using center. Here we have not used the center. Here we have used the center. Means from the center we drawn this ray. Okay. Then from this one we taken two arcs. Then one perpendicular bisector, means this is using center, and this one without using the center. Okay, so now some one new, not new, last year also you have studied this type of construction also. So if the point given outside the circle, then what? See here. To construct a triangle, a tangent to the circle from a point outside the circle means what? Here you have to draw one circle. Okay. Suppose the point P is outside circle, maybe they can give the distance from the center of circle. Or if not given, then take anywhere you can take that point, but that should be outside the circle. Then what you have to do, whatever be the point you taken, means this distance segment OP, here you have to draw one perpendicular bisector of this segment OP. Means this is the middle point, give the name. Okay. By taking the radius MP or MO, anyone, because both distances are same. Here you have to draw one arc that cuts this circle. You can draw whole circle, no problem. Okay. Or these arcs. Where this arc cut the circle, name that point here A and B, and then from the point P, here you have to draw tangent. Means if point lie outside, how many tangents you can draw? 2. Already you have written in a practical. And if one point means that point lie on the circle, only one tangent, and outside the circle, then 2 tangent, and inside the circle, when we cannot draw the tangent. Already you have written that practical. Now actually example we have to see on this one. See now one example we have taken. So that is very important. Some different, not the same example come. Maybe they can ask another type. So draw a tangent to the circle. Maybe they can give the chord. Here in this example, maybe they can give the chord, means you have to draw the chord by taking the distance, and you have to draw the tangent to the circle from both the points. This what? Suppose here, for example, here this is circle. You drawn the chord, whatever be the length is given, AB. You have to draw the tangent to the circle from point B also and A also. Then what you have to do? You have to extend this side. Here this one perpendicular bisector like this, and here also you have to extend. Okay, these two arcs from this, and here this one. Okay, so one construction maybe in the exercise is given. Maybe you have come the problem how to draw from these 2 points using the center. Using the center, you have to extend that side. Remaining part is same. Draw 2 arcs, then perpendicular bisector. Okay, now we'll see this third one. That is the last construction from this point. So what is this? Read the example first carefully. What is in the example? Draw a circle, okay, with the radius 4.1 centimeter. Take the scale. Take a 4 point. What distance? 1. 4.1. See, 4 inch, 4 centimeter and 1 millimeter. Okay. 4.1 means 4 centimeter, 1 millimeter. Okay, taken. So now take any point. Point name of center is given? No. Okay, so you can take any point. So this is, suppose we have taken O is the center of circle. Okay. Now we have to see how to draw this one. Take the radius 4.1. Already we have taken here from this point O. So draw one circle by taking the, so this is the circle with the radius 4.1 centimeter. See here, this is the camera adjustment, so I have very less space, so I will adjust to draw a circle. Actually we can draw very smoothly, but here upside the camera, so I have to adjust that camera also, so you can see properly. Okay, now here this is the circle. Now what they given? Here you have to take the distance 7.3, means that point. You can take this side also or east side. Okay, if you take this side 7.3, see, so from this 7 centimeter and 3 millimeter up to this we have to draw one segment from a point O. See here, exactly 7.3. Okay, so another point here we have taken, that is P. Now what do you have to do? We have to draw tangent from this point. So already I have told you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this OP. So take more than half distance. Okay, draw one arc upside, one arc, downside. Don't rub the arc in exam also. And from the point O, another two arcs here you have to draw. That arc intersect each other. If this arc not intersect, extend it. Okay. Okay. Now remove the compass. Using the scale, draw one line passes through intersecting. Here not this one. This is the perpendicular bisector. Why it comes inside the circle? Do you know that? Because the radius of circle is what? 4.1 we have taken. Okay. And this distance is what? 7.3. Means less than double of this one. 4.1 means double of this one. 8.2. 8.2 then it here come. More than 8.2 then let tangent perpendicular bisector come outside the circle. This middle distance come inside because this 4.1 come 8.2 but distance is given 7.3, that is less. So this line come bisector come inside the circle. Like otherwise you will think sir drawn that figure and that tangent come perpendicular bisector come inside the circle. Don't adjust whatever be where it will become, draw it. Maybe inside circle, maybe on the circle, maybe outside the circle. So suppose this is the point M. Okay. So what I told, here you have to take the radius either this OM or OP. Okay. Both are same. Both are same. So here you have to draw one line, one arc like this that intersect this circle. You can draw whole circle also. Some student can draw this whole circle, no problem. But what is the important? That arc should be intersect this circle. Okay, remove this. Name the point. Here suppose this is A and this one B. Then what you have to do? Last step. Here take the scale. Here A and B. Take the scale from the point P and this point B, intersecting point. Draw one ray like this. Then from point A, from point B and A, this touching point, here you have to draw another tangent. Okay. So these are the two tangents we have drawn from the what? Point lie outside the circle. Okay. So one more question maybe they can ask in the exam, measure the length of this tangent segment. Means what is your observation? What about this PA and PB? See here. PA is what? Just 4.9, means 4 point in between 4.9 and 5. You can write 4.9 and sorry, what is this? 6. Okay, not say 4 point. This is 5.9 or 6. Okay, this is also 5.9 or in between 6. That means these two should be same. This is the one theorem already you have studied. The tangent length of tangent segment drawn from the circle to the circle from the outside, they are congruent. So maybe they can ask this one, what is the length of these two tangent segments? So you can write PA is equal to PB is equal to 6 centimeter. Whatever be that lengths come. So I have explained three construction. Draw tangent to the circle. To construct tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. And then another one, first construction you have studied using the center of circle, draw a tangent, and another one without using the center. So that is very important. You have to do the all construction. I will send one photocopy. Okay, you have to construct the diagram and send it me. I know just 34-35 students observed that one. Those who observe, they send their views also, they liked or not like, but many of you, they're not using this one. So open the link and see the construction and complete the exercise. This lesson is finished now.